As you wake up, get ready to crank that AC this weekend. It's going to be a hot one. Typically, the first few weekends like this, we see AC units go out all over the valley. So we're taking action ahead of the weekend to make sure that you know your rights. Katie Connor live this morning with everything you need to know. Katie, good morning.
Good morning, Dan. Here outside right now, it is around 78 degrees, but we just heard Iris say that it could actually reach 106 degrees today. So if your AC unit goes out, you're in a lot of trouble. Now, if you rent, expert Ken Volk says you need to know the obligation of your landlord and how to enforce those. You want to give your landlord a written notice for failure to supply essential services. If they don't fix it, you can try to fix it on your own and take that money out of your rent. But again, it has to be in writing, and you have to say you're exercising your rights under the self-help repair.
Your notice needs to let the landlord know if they don't fix it in 10 days that you will do it on your own and take the cost out of the rent. But if you don't tell them that specific language with the 10-day notice, then you're going to be out hundreds of dollars of repair costs.
Now, one thing you never want to do is stop paying your rent, because Volk says unless you have that in writing, it could actually work against you and you could end up getting evicted. Now, Dan, he has a lot of very helpful articles on his website. We'll put a link at abc15.com. Dan?
That's fantastic, Katie, because everybody's thinking about it right now. You got to keep the house cool.